Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to record WhatsApp calls for free. If you're talking to someone on the WhatsApp and you want to record the call, then I'll show you the easiest and the free way to do it. So every phone has this feature called screen recording. It is available in almost all Androids and iPhones. With the help of it, you can record anything. And if any sort of sound or music is playing while you're doing your mobile, you can also record that. So you have to simply go to these options, and after that you will see this icon. This is for the screen recording. You may have it different in your phone. Once you get there, you will see the two options, which is record the device sound and also record the mic. You have to enable both of these options. Once it is available, you have to simply start screen recording and go to WhatsApp, and after that you have to simply call a person with whom you would like to have a call. And once you're calling and they pick up, so whatever you do like a conversation, it will get all recorded in the form of video. Later on you can convert it into mp3 by any other software or by any web application. So this feature screen recording is almost available in every phone, like in Android and in iPhone. You have to simply record your calls with it. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.